Hello and welcome. I hope all you doing well. Welcome on Fly with Bank YouTube channel. Today I want to speak very strong or very basic, we can say also topic. Topic is liquidity. What is a liquidity and what is inducement? This is our topic today. Okay, what is a real liquidity? As a trader, what we need to focus on? We need to focus on we need to focus on liquidity or market structure or imbalances or order block or inducement. What we need to focus on market structure or what, or order block or demand and supply zones or liquidity zone or imbalance zone. Which is a more important? Today I try to explain you with logic why my concept is little bit different than other people. And people ask me continuously what I teach. You teach ICT concepts or lit WWA or phantom. I does not teach complete one of them. In my opinion, more important liquidity, and I did not teach ICT concept fully. I teach some things. Okay, not all courses like ICT or phantom or lit. I did not teach. I teach liquidity or support and resistance, okay, and demand and supply zone. How we understand, if we looking for this point of interest, market run liquidity and come to our point of interest, why does not hold our point of interest? I give you answer, okay. I teach in my courses this kind of thing. Why smart money trader does not consistently making money in this market? Okay, let's talk about today only liquidity. I does not I try to explain you only liquidity, not confuse you with market structure or imbalance or demand and supply zone. Okay guys, what people or what smart money trader like us, what we teach people, other student, Okay, let's let's assume we have chart like that. Okay, smart money traders teach this is a liquidity, for example, to the downside. Here also liquidity, 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 here as well is liquidity. This is concept of smart money. Smart money gurus and teacher teach, yes, this is the reality is yes, any swing high and low is sitting liquidity. Okay. I what I why I am saying I teach little bit different than other people. In this industry, okay, in forex, we need to understand big money, okay, not we as a small trader, big hedge funds, those companies, okay, not does not look market how we look, okay. Hedge fund not trade, those companies trade like support and resistance, okay, like this one, okay, and like this one, or like this one. What is the difference between support and resistance liquidity and swing liquidity? Support and resistance liquidity is more powerful. Powerful mean as a smart money trader we need to focus on this liquidity, this liquidity. This because hedge funds, okay, hedge fund does not trade like demand and supply zones. Hedge fund does not make stop losses here. Those looking for buy and selling in this region, and buff here is stop losses when looking for sell, and like here, okay, when support broke become resistance, big companies and big hedge fund put money in that zone. For example, this broke, market broke here, market came back for test, okay, hedge funds or big companies put money in this zone, okay, and stop loss is here. This is a real liquidity in this region. Here is real or big money, okay. I need to understand that one. This is a liquidity. If people saying this is a liquidity in this region, for me this is a nature of market, this is a nature of price need to trade either upside or downside. Upside, when market trade upside, it's understanding market broke this high, what we call broke market high, or market take liquidity. Market not on 1 minute time frame, okay, market not inducing like that people. If you see support, okay, like that, this is a money in this zone, when is market create a support. Okay, market not inducing you as a smart money trader. Yes, market do like that because we did not have so much information. We have very less information, and as a smart money trader, we not have full information to trade in this market. We focus only. Let's okay, let's choose this chart. Okay. Okay, here we have a support zone in this region. Okay, okay, because market broke this one, this resistance zone, market broke, market came, test multiple, uh, market punch. Okay, and market did not close any candle to downside. Why market doing like that? Why market doing like that? Another things I think is last month, I think 20 days market ranging in this region. Can you explain me how you read here market structure? And someday I will explain you market structure is with other logic. I I promise you, you never see anything like how I teach you. Is I not give you, I not try to impose my logic or my concept, but I am saying market does not trade all the time with the market structure. Every time frame market violate so many time market structure. Okay, and I will someday I will explain little bit is market structure as well. Okay, here we have other, you see, resist as support, broke, market came back. What you see, market came back. Here is entries of hedge funders, and market punch, took liquidity and trade downside, and here market make other range, and now market trade continuously with this region. Broke this support, broke, become resistance. Now market trading in these two ranges. Okay, liquidity market took here, here also liquidity, here also liquidity, here we can say here, and support and resistance when market create range. Okay, why support and resistance guy not sorry, smart money trader, why confuse smart money trader not making consistently money? Because market, when market trade in trend, okay, strong trend, smart money trader making money. Very simple is that. When market create little bit range, smart money trader most of the time losing money. Okay, and support and resistance guy making money. And I teach people how we combine these two things together. How we look these two things together. How we, when market make range, how we look the market, how to read market when market make a range and when market create a range. And we go daily time frame. How many day market ranging in this zone? On daily time frame, yes, we broke structure to downside, we broke structure to the downside. Market mitigated something here, market mitigated something here. We are bearish. Yes, market taking this liquidity. Okay, but right now what in going on here? Now market can be again trade with this high or this all liquidity. Okay, okay. When when market make a range, okay, smart money trader did not understand range. What is H4 going on? Can you explain me how many time market broke structure up or downside? Multiple time frame. Like here, we market broke structure. You looking for sell here. What happened? And when market broke structure to the upside, you looking for buy in this zone. What happened? Okay, and again market broke structure is to the downside, you looking for sell in this region. What happened? Because market is making a range, and when you go H1 H2 almost same thing. When you go M15, okay, market what we have? We have high, low, sorry, high. This is demand zone, failed this demand zone. Okay, then we looking for sell. We looking for sell in this region. Okay, play. Again we looking for sell in this region. This region, this is a liquidity we called because this is extreme failed. Market broke structure, we looking for buy in this region. Okay, now we looking for buy in this, but higher time frame saying is selling. H4 saying consistently in selling. Here market, okay, when we broke structure to the upside, if higher time frame saying we are bearish, everybody, so every smart money trader looking for sell, yes, but three condition of market structure, how I teach and how I read, two type of how we read market structure. When market make a range on a higher time frame, market take liquidity, market trade downside, then market trade this liquidity, trade like this is range. We don't know how to trade. Okay, on H4 and daily time frame, if H4, let's assume if H4 does not have clear picture how you trade, you did not confidently trade with M15 or M1 because H4 or daily not heavy, not give you real direction. Okay, when market give you real direction, you trade very beautifully. When little bit market change, everybody is structure trader. Okay, market structure trader do not understand market. Okay, and this market not easy. You come here and you see market structure imbalance, demand and supply zone, and you enter trade or and you make money consistently. You need to be you need to proper education. You need to be a proper education. Okay, guys. Okay, liquidity is support and resistance is liquidity. Oh, sorry. Every time frame you see market trade support and resistance liquidity. You see, market broke, test, punch this one and then trade inside. Here what we have? Here same. When market create this support resistance, market punch this one. Also here we have resistance zone, market punch that is liquid. Because why market took liquidity and why market take support and resistance? For smart money, for bank is this is money. Here is money, most of the money. Because big companies and hedge fund trade like support and resistance, those people does not look how we trade as a smart money trader. Another thing, guys, smart money support and resistance does work. Smart money trader saying not, but I am saying yes. Okay, people support and resistance guy making money in this market. Okay, but a smart money trader pretend we know everything. We know how market trade, how where market more likely to go, how bank took liquidity, how bank trade. We know where most likely market to go next step. But when you say, can you show us how to trade? Okay, when you every smart money trader struggling to understand market till now, most of the smart money trader and gurus, all gurus pretending we know everything how to trade in this market. Okay, if smart money traders know how to trade, okay, if for example smart money trader saying we know how to trade in this market, and those traders pretend we know every move of the market, and those people every move justify, every 1 minute of daily or weekly, why market do like that, why market did like that. They pretend they know everything, every move, but this is not a reality, guys. They know very few things. And not only smart money trader and smart money trader, what I switch smart money trader, I teach people how to trade as a smart money trader, but not like that. I teach most of the liquidity. Where is the liquidity point? I does not focus on demand zone, I does not focus on supply zone, I does not focus on imbalances. My focus on liquidity. Where is money? Inducement, not M1, not M15, M1 inducement, higher time frame. And support and resistance guy making money in this market. But those people know how to trade support and resistance. Okay, if you saying support and resistance guy does not making money in this market, Let's assume like that. If some support and resistance guys not making money in this market, who put the liquidity in the market? If hedge fund is not, big companies and hedge fund not making money, support and resistance concept, okay, why they still trading in this market? Because they making money consistently, 5%, 2%, 1% or 10%, we don't know. I am saying they making money consistently using support and resistance. And I find out liquidity. Not everybody as a smart money trader teach you liquidity. I teach people, and in future you can say, you can see in future people as a smart money trader teach support and resistance liquidity. I am teaching some people, okay, and they, when I explain, they understand very quickly. I hope I am making sense. And my point, only one, my point of view is, if smart money trader pretend they know everything, but they consistently losing money in this market. Very few people making money. It's not easy. You draw some demand and supply zones, okay, like that. You saying this is market broke structure to the downside, sorry, to the downside, market have an imbalance in this region, we are bearish, this is a liquidity in this region, and you trade looking for sell, market trade like that. Everybody knows, every smart money trader knows. But ask yourself, you making money in this market? You making money? This market not make you billionaire or millionaire. Here you trade like 10% or 20% per month, or 5%, depend on every trader and your account size. Okay, my logic and how I switched support and resistance liquidity, and I teach people how we trade support and resistance liquidity, how we understand where is the liquidity, where is the liquidity, here is the liquidity, and smart money trader looking for sell in this region. Yes, sometime play to the downside, because I very smart money trading concept, and I know how to trade a smart money trader. But for me, this is liquidity. For me, this is liquidity. How we trade? This is a real question. Okay, another thing, people saying, okay, market took liquidity, broke structure, like here, where we have market took liquidity, broke structure, two times. This high is what have this high? Strong high, because took liquidity, broke structure to downside. What happened here? Smart money trader have very low accuracy, very big risk to reward. Yes, this is reality, but they pretend they know everything, but this is not a reality. Okay guys, thank you very much. You need to understand market. If you did not, if you are not able to making money in this market, you still struggling to understand market, you need proper education. Without education, You did never ever, most of the trader, okay, ever you succeed in this market with the proper education. Why I am saying this, why I made this video, because I receive so much messages and people saying how you teach. Okay, you teach like other people, same smart money concept, smart money concept, we know how to trade. If you know, why you not making money, ask yourself. Because this smart money concept is and smart money trader saying, okay, retail does not know anything this market, we know everything. Smart money trader pretend like that smart money trader pretend they know everything, and but this is not a reality. You ask yourself, you are smart money trader, and go and watch your account. I hope guys I am making sense, and my all I respond everything in this market, and I not teach how to read liquidity. I only give answers those people how I teach. This is only liquidity, and my structure is different. I not teach people high low high low high low. Okay, yes, sometimes yes, but not this is necessary all the time. How we read when market make a range, this is important. How we read when market uh, in trend, the structure. Okay guys, thank you very much, bye.